Welcome to our channel where we provide pet owners with helpful tips and tricks on how to take care of their furry friends. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to understand the needs of your cat. Cats are wonderful pets, but they can be mysterious creatures. So, let's dive in and learn how to better understand our feline friends. Observe your cat's behavior. The first step in understanding your cat's needs is to observe their behavior. Pay attention to their body language, vocalizations, and actions. If your cat is meowing, it may be a sign that they're hungry or want attention. If they're scratching, they may need to use the litter box or want to play. By observing their behavior, you can start to decipher what your cat needs. Learn your cat's body language. Cats communicate with their bodies as well as their voices. Understanding your cat's body language can help you identify when they're feeling happy, anxious, or stressed. If your cat is arching their back and hissing, for example, they may be feeling defensive or threatened. If they're rolling on their back and exposing their belly, they may be feeling relaxed and happy. Pay attention to your cat's routine. Cats are creatures of habit and thrive on routine. They have specific times when they eat, sleep, and play. Pay attention to your cat's routine and make sure you're providing them with what they need. If your cat is meowing for food outside of their usual mealtime, they may be hungry, and if they're not sleeping as much as usual, they may be restless. Spend time with your cat. One of the best ways to understand your cat's needs is to spend time with them. Play with them, pet them, and talk to them. This will help you develop a deeper bond and understand their personality and preferences. Cats are social animals, and they need interaction and attention to be happy and healthy. In conclusion, understanding your cat's needs can take time and patience, but it's worth the effort. By observing their behavior, learning their body language, paying attention to their routine, and spending time with them, you can become a better pet parent and provide them with the love and care they deserve. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful pet care tips.